Hello there. Today we will learn about how to transcribe video to text or get text from a video easily online. I will also show how to format the text to use easily as well. So, let's start. Here I have a video of mine. Hi there. We are going to learn email address so that you can use it as recovery mail. You can hear a man is speaking. From this video, I want to get the voice as text form. Come to Chrome. Head to Veed. Start for free. Simply close. Now, simply drag the video you have. The video is loaded. If I play a little. Hi there. We are going to learn how to lock or restrict specific web. So, come to subtitles. The video has English voiceover. Change if yours is different. Finally, create subtitle. Now it would take a little while to transcribe. It's transcribed perfectly. Now, you can download the texts from here as TXT form. Or you can also do this. Okay, on Notepad this really looks like this, a bit messy. So, let's fix it too on MS Word. Paste it on MS Word. Press Ctrl H. First, type dot or full stop. Then dot and paragraph sign as shown. This sign uses ally remains in the 6 button. Now, replace all. Done. Your text is now shown as line by line. And here it looks on Notepad again. Point to note, on free version, you cannot do more than 10-minute video at a time. So, this is how you can simply get your video to text transcribed easily online. If you liked our video and the method, then please subscribe and inspire us to make more videos like this. Don't forget to hit the like button. Goodbye.